Google, the biggest search engine in the world. We are all familiar with the services they provide and how they have made our lives easier. Google developed a collection of productivity and collaboration tools, software, and products known as Google Workspace, previously called Google Suites. With how fast our world is evolving, using these tools and software has been increasing and becoming more beneficial. But what exactly are the uses and limitations of Google Workspace apps? What are the benefits of Google Workspace? And why is it important to learn these skills? Hi, I'm Lian, and in this video, we'll be talking about Google Workspace. Google Workspace has many useful apps, but we'll only focus on the three: Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Sheets. So, what are the different uses of these apps? Google Docs is an all-in-one toolkit. Your Word documents can be edited online or offline. Your file can be shared with anybody you choose, and if you want to, you can allow collaborative editing to be able to work with others. Anyone with a Google account can use it for free. But this also comes with limitations. One of them is the file size of a document. A text document converted to Google Docs format has a 50 MB maximum file size limit. Still, that's a lot. Even with limitations, Google Docs is still very useful and helps a lot with collaborative activities. You can chat with others with the chat feature in Google Docs. You can comment on documents and even link to comments. You can also view past versions of your document. All these features can help you maximize Google Docs. Google Slides is a free presentation creation tool that lets you decorate your slides with text, graphics, images, videos, and more. These services are free, and all you need is a Google account. You can even share your presentations with others and collaborate on presentations from any device. But just like Google Docs, there are limitations. For presentations that have been converted to Google Slides, the maximum file size is 100 MB. Some tricks you can use are the built-in laser pointer to help with oral presentations and replicating formatting across several slide objects. Google Sheets is a spreadsheet application that allows you to create free online spreadsheets. This Google app is a great alternative to Microsoft Excel. It's free to use, and all you need is a Google account. Similarly to Google Docs and Google Slides, there are limitations to this app. For spreadsheets made in or converted to Google Sheets, there are up to 10 million cells and a maximum of 18,278 columns. Still, there are still many possibilities with this tool. You can sync data across various spreadsheets, monitor cooperation with the activity dashboard, and be creative with data visualization. You can also use many formulas and tricks with the various features in Google Sheets. Being familiar with Google Workspace comes with many benefits. One of them is simple collaboration and sharing. Having access to strong collaboration tools is one of the great benefits of educational organizations that use Google Workspace for education. In today's high-tech learning environments, teamwork and communication are essential. Communication between faculty and staff and with students must be effective. Google Workspace also has high security. You can keep all of your data and files securely on the cloud and have access to them whenever you want and store files up to 15 gigabytes. Google Workspace includes two-step verification that you can apply to all users and devices. Video conferencing through Google Meet is also one of the major benefits Google Workspace offers. It includes features like recording the meeting, screen sharing, and the ability to dial into a video conference by phone. Knowing the importance of these apps can help you understand more about why it is an essential skill to have and learn. One major issue is that we need to learn how to adapt. The apps and user interfaces are straightforward and basic enough for anyone to grasp. Additionally, it is easy to adopt, and this can help you with your online classes or even at work. Most students are familiar with Google Workspace since it can help with online classes in school. Since students and teachers cannot interact in person, alternative methods of communication and engagement are used. Google Workspace helps build closer connections through collaboration and communication. Teachers and students can communicate via chat rooms, emails, and video conferencing. Lastly, digital literacy isn't just a nice-to-have for students. It's a crucial component that education must embrace in order to provide students with the power to harness the potential of new technology to advance learning. This will help not only students but all individuals to build digital skills for the future. I hope that this video has taught you more about what Google Workspace is, the uses and limitations of some apps, the benefits and importance of knowing these tools. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for Module 2, where we'll discuss more on the uses of Google Docs. To test your understanding of this module, kindly scan the QR code at the end of the video and answer a short quiz. Thank you and see you next video.